The work and impact of CCRIF in the Caribbean and Central America. Following Hurricane Ivan in 2004 and the devastation across the Caribbean, CARICOM heads of government approached the World Bank for assistance to design and implement a cost-effective risk financing program for member governments that would provide them with access to quick liquidity following a natural disaster. This marked the beginning of what would become the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, CCRIF, now CCRIF SPC, the world's first and most successful multi-country, multi-peril risk pool based on parametric insurance. CCRIF is a regional catastrophe fund for Caribbean and Central American governments to limit the financial impact of devastating hurricanes, earthquakes, and excess rainfall events by providing quick financial liquidity when a policy is triggered. CCRIF operates as a development insurance company as the products and services it provides are for the benefit of the facility's members. CCRIF is also a captive insurance company because its parametric insurance products attract risks that are priced too high by the traditional markets. CCRIF provides a bespoke insurance solution that enables it to provide unique and tailored insurance coverage that is not readily available in the commercial market. Today, CCRIF offers 5 parametric insurance products for tropical cyclones based on wind and storm surge, earthquakes based on ground shaking, excess rainfall based on volume of rainfall, the fisheries sector, and the electric utilities sector for transmission and distribution. But what is parametric insurance? Parametric insurance covers the probability of a predefined event happening, for example, a major hurricane or earthquake, instead of indemnifying actual loss incurred, and pays out according to a predefined scheme. Parametric insurance insures a policyholder against the occurrence of a specific event by paying a set amount based on the magnitude of the event, as opposed to the magnitude of the losses in a traditional indemnity policy. Parametric insurance makes a payment upon the occurrence of a triggering event and is detached from a specific underlying physical asset or piece of infrastructure. Parametric insurance makes payments based on the intensity of an event, for example, hurricane wind speed, earthquake intensity, volume of rainfall, and the amount of loss calculated in a pre-agreed catastrophe model caused by these events. Today, CCRIF has 24 members, 8 more than the original 16 governments that joined in 2007, 19 governments from the Caribbean, 3 from Central America, and 2 Caribbean electric utility companies. CCRIF has demonstrated that catastrophe risk insurance can effectively provide a level of financial protection for countries vulnerable to natural disasters. Since 2007, CCRIF has made 58 payouts totaling $260 million to 16 member governments. Assessments have revealed that CCRIF payouts have benefited over 3.5 million persons in the Caribbean and Central America. Most of CCRIF payouts, more than 60%, has been used by governments to address immediate needs post-disaster, from providing food, water, and medicines to clearing roads. Also, payouts have been used for repairing critical infrastructure, such as schools, supporting the tourism sector post-disaster so that the country does not miss the upcoming tourist season, while hotels await payouts from their indemnity insurance, and supporting the agriculture sector, and so on. The importance of catastrophe risk insurance, especially in the face of a changing climate, cannot be overemphasized and must be viewed as an essential component within governments' fiscal policy frameworks and an important tool of changing climate adaptation as we strive to advance the sustainability agenda to achieve the SDGs.